All right, this tutorial is for everyone. Let's say you upload your content to YouTube and you don't know what quality that is getting uploaded to YouTube, right? So I'll show you some settings that you gotta do in YouTube, and going forward, it'll make sure that the video that you're uploading will get uploaded in the highest resolution. All right, so let's do it. I'm gonna show it to you in my phone. That'll be easy for me. So you need a YouTube app for that, and let's get into the video. All right, give me a thumbs up if you like the video, subscribe to my channel, and leave some comment for me. All right, so that'll encourage me to make some videos for you guys. And this channel is about sharing knowledge, all right, on day-to-day life. So hopefully you like the video. Bye. All right, how do you make sure that if you're uploading videos or content from your phone to YouTube, you want to make sure that you're uploading into a full quality, the best quality possible, right? To make sure that you're uploading a highest quality possible, you'll go to your YouTube channel, then you'll come to the settings here, and then from settings you'll go to upload quality preferences, and here you make sure that you have the higher quality preferences over here, and then you can have the Wi-Fi on and off, it's up to you. And to uploads, and you go to the uploads right over there, and then upload quality over here you have a bunch of options: 360, 480, 720, 1080, and full quality. Make sure you click on full quality. That means if going forward, if you have this checked in, if you're uploading any video, shorts, whatever you're uploading, any content that you're uploading to YouTube, it'll make sure it'll get uploaded to the highest quality possible. All right.